congratulations and best wishes for your future involvements with AMSC of Life. Mabuhay ang mga bagong atinista at Majorem Dei Gloria. Thank you.
These are the days where moments are made. Now or wait, we're born to fly. The world is ours. Let's eclipse the stars and make it shine. Now's the time.
This is not your everyday class that you will attend. There are so many things that you need to complete in order for you to be awarded an executive education certificate by the Ateneo de Manila University.
I was telling my students later, why aren't you like that? Ask questions. Challenge.
We hung the moon and made mountains move. We climbed the top of highest heights. We can do anything now. We open our wings. We're catching
Dear graduates, I would also like to suggest, as your program belongs to the School of Government in the Ateneo, to emphasize the importance also of deepening our knowledge in politics and economics to better then understand the inherent dynamics of power in the Philippines.
Today's the day.
Whatever role you may have, or work, or whatever place you are in society, be an example for resilience, or katatagan, perseverance, pagtsatsaga, and the true embodiment of the bayanihan spirit.
Now's the time for all our dreams to come alive. Today's the day to see
Ang sabi sa programa, ako daw yung magbibigay ng inspirational talk or message. Pero kanina, habang pinapanood ko po kayo na naglalakad pababa, kayo po ang dapat na narito para magbigay ng inspirasyon.
right. Now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Today's the now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time.
I remember our messenger group suddenly became active the night our business plan presentation ended. Happy sila.
Now's the time for all our dreams to come alive. Today's the day to see.
With this kwento, wala na po tayong deadlines. Okay? But, meron pa po isang news. Magsisimula pa lang po yung ating journey. A fresh challenge for all of us.